Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for Wednesday the 6th of March. And today we did have a nice gap up in the markets. Basically little sideways action and then a slow grind lower or stair step lower, however you want to look at that. Today we had 3 trades. They were all successful. After entries and exits in real time, we made 7 points or 28 ticks. And basically our trades went as follow. Shortly after the market opened, we did grab a short, rode that down a little bit, took a little profit, added to it, took the remainder of the profit down here, watched it come up, chop around a little bit. We did grab a long down here and we were able to ride that up, taking some good profit. Watched kind of the market move around a little more, chop. We did grab a long over here and we were able to get out on this pop here, and that's basically what happened on the day. We had 2 longs, 1 short, and you see the market sold off pretty well. And that's the way it is. And you really have to look at your trading and say, what is my goal? What am I looking for? What am I trying to see happen here? And at this moment, we did have a nice long setting up down here. We took it, we did take profit, and the market rolled over and just started making new lows. And we had some more good support down here, and then it broke through it and hit here. So it's trying to take trades in conjunction with what the market is trying to do, and sometimes that's a little more difficult than other times, and sometimes it's just impossible. And I say that just to say, sometimes the market does, I always say the market's going to do whatever it wants to do, and sometimes that means that it's going to do something totally different than what you expect or what you're thinking, or it looks like it's going to do something and then it just totally flips around, does a 180 and goes the other way. So the market's definitely fickle, so you have to be prepared for it. And today was a good day. We came in and made it happen, and that's really what I try to do. Take minimal trades. Today we only took 3 and try to make them count. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, but over the long run, over the course of weeks, months, quarters, years, it works out fairly well. And the site's been around long enough to show that it does work. And I always I produce these videos so that way you get a feel for what's going on, not only inside my mind, inside the room, and you hear a little bit about me, you hear me talking about what's going on and what I'm seeing. And you also, it gives you a little forum. You can ask questions under the video or whatnot. You can always email me, and you kind of get a feel for everything. I'm not a type of person who's gonna take 20 trades a day, so I'm not going to be talking about trade setups all day long, because they're just not going to happen all day long. They happen every now and then, and when they do, you can take trades, but if they're not happening, if they're not setting up, there's really no reason to take a trade. And I guess that's what I wanted to talk about a little bit today. So hopefully that made sense to you. Hopefully you got something out of it. With that, have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.